Welcome to Dream Homes Tour, Luxury Designs, where elegance meets imagination. In this journey, we step into spaces that redefine what it means to live beautifully. Every wall, every texture, every light beam tells a story of craftsmanship, innovation, and the pursuit of perfection. These homes aren't just places to live, they are works of art, designed to awaken your senses and inspire your dreams.
That luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. Crystal lights above, reflections deep and wide, modern lines with timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision, each color speaks with grace. Design's a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches slow, like curves in stone. That comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe. Where beauty whispers, you achieve. In these walls of dreams, we build our peace. With chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know. That luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. Crystal like with pride through doors, with chandeliers and velvet seats.
Step inside to discover over 12,000 square feet of meticulously crafted interiors. Soaring ceilings, imported marble floors, custom lighting, and open concept living. Every room is a statement of taste and precision, designed by world-renowned architects and interior designers.
That luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. So walk with pride through open doors. Luxury's life and so much more. Crystal
Here, luxury is not about excess, it's about details, the refined finishes, the carefully chosen materials, and the seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Invite you to imagine what life could be like within these walls. This home speaks the universal language of dreams, elegance, serenity, and pure inspiration.
where elegance begins. Marble floors and gold.
If you enjoyed this glimpse of luxury design and dream homes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Dream Homes Tour Luxury Design. Share your thoughts below and tell us, would you love to walk through these iconic gates every day?